Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to model time-varying aspects of your model, such as building occupancy and equipment operation. I'll introduce you to typical workday profiles and schedules, and I will also show you how to create and edit a 7/12 schedule. Timing is defined in Designbuilder using the Schedules and Profiles mechanism, which allow time variable.
You can access the full tutorial from Designbuilder's website here. This page contains our extensive range of free tutorials, including an introduction to the software and more details on Designbuilder's key capabilities and workflows. The tutorials are all short, enabling you to quickly and easily view the most important details in your areas of interest. They provide an excellent guide for anyone wanting to evaluate Designbuilder. A direct link to this specific tutorial is included in the video description.